Hey guys, creating cryptocurrencies are much easier than before. I have just created two of the cryptocurrencies that is on the platform of Binance, and it took me around 30 minutes. Basically, I have read somewhere about this type of cryptocurrencies where two people have collaborated together to create a cryptocurrency, and they have given a value to it. They have created a total supply for that, and they have done everything just within 10 minutes. So it's like completely crazy. It's not mineable, I think. So I'll be showing you step by step process of how to create your own cryptocurrency. So let's check out. So basically over here, these are the things which I'm going to show you. First is related to cryptocurrency. That is how you need to get your cryptocurrency, and then you need to have this BNB, that is Binance cryptocurrency. That means how you can get this particular cryptocurrency. And next is MetaMask, that is basically related to wallets. If you have cryptocurrency, it need to be in some particular wallet, or else it cannot be in your hand or something like that. So you need to create a wallet account over here, and then you need to go ahead with deployment, and then you need to create a value, and finally you need to trade it. So we are going to go ahead with that. But before that, I just want to say that very first thing is you need to have a cryptocurrency for sure. Without cryptocurrency, you will not be able to do that. You can choose any of the cryptocurrency which you have, and you can transfer it to Binance.com. You need to register an account in Binance.com, so you can actually convert that particular cryptocurrency to Binance cryptocurrency, that is BNB. So over here, basically we are going to use a BEP20 token to create our own cryptocurrency, which is actually dependent on Binance Smart Chain. To go ahead with that cryptocurrency, we also need to have our wallet set up. So basically we need to have some wallet which basically support BEP20 tokens. Over here you can find a few of the wallets. MetaMask is one of them. That is the one which I am using right now, and we have many more wallets. You can find all these wallets over here. So over here you can search on your browser for MetaMask, and you are going to get extension for your browser, and you can click on add, and click on add extension, and there you go. It is installing, and it has already been installed, and it is going to give a new window over here. Click on get started. If you already have this MetaMask wallet, then you just need to click on import and import whatever the phrases you are going to get. I'm going to say about those phrases also. Or if you don't have your wallet, then you need to click on this and create a wallet. I am going to click on no thanks, and over here I need to create some password. This is for sample purpose only for you, and continue. Next, and over here there is a phrase where we'll be using this phrase to log into our wallet. So you need to keep this phrase handy, or you need to keep or save somewhere, so you can use this later on to log in into your wallet. So next, so I need to arrange this whole word by clicking on this to confirm. Okay, it is going to show this, and it's done. So we got new wallet. Very first thing after that we are going to do is we are going to add our Binance Smart Chain to this particular wallet, because it is not going to have this particular Binance chain in this wallet. So basically we are in Ethereum. You will be able to see all these things. We are going to go ahead with this Binance RPC URL. You can see RPC Binance Chain docs. Just copy this, and remember this 0x38 or 56. So click on this, and over here click on this Ethereum and click on custom RPC, because we are going to create this new RPC, and I'm going to make it as you can write anything. It's just for your identification. New RPC URL, which is important. Chain ID, which is either 0x38 or 56 as given over here. Next is currency symbol, that is PNB, as we all know, and save it. So a new network has been connected, and over here you can find a BNB, and you can find that it is BNB right now. So the next thing is, after you create, basically I'm going to go ahead with my other browser itself, binance.com. Basically I'll not be able to open this, just a small modification. So over here you can hover over here, buy crypto, and click on whatever the currency you want from here, and you will not be able to go ahead with P2P trading as of now at starting. You need to sign up, however, but you need to go ahead with the second option, because first option you need your KYC to be completed. The second option is third party payment, where you will be able to purchase using Wazirex, or you can purchase using your card, I think Simplex, I don't know, I did not purchase from here, but you can purchase from any of them and you can go ahead. I can find that over here you need to have your wallet upgraded, and then after that you can actually buy your cryptocurrency in whatever the cryptocurrency you want, and you can convert it later on. If you already have BNB, you can take that BNB address and transfer it to your MetaMask. Or if you don't have, you need to go over here, wallet, and flat and spot, and over here you can find convert small balance to BNB. Not to copy testnet or test based RPC, copy only the original one. Just copy from here and paste it over here, and you can find the information as it is valid. And I'm just going to click on maximum, it is 0.0164. you can find I have 0. So I'll not be able to go ahead with this small amount, because over here also it said as 0.02 is the minimum requirement, which I don't have, but basically I'll not be able to show this particular thing over here. So basically we need to transfer the amount in this way. So there is the second option, you need to purchase from here, and you need to use third party, and then you need to use that particular amount and transfer it to your this wallet. However, I have another account, so I'm going to use that. The next thing you need to do is open this remix.ethereum.org. This is my old cryptocurrency, as you can find. I'm just going to delete this, as I have already created one, and I'm also going to delete the other things over here. If you are able to find this still, and if you think it is not deletable, just remove this content till .org and refresh it. So over here it's completely empty. Create your new cryptocurrency by clicking on this new file. File name is going to be, for me, actually I have already used Pochinki, that is basically PUBG map location. Now I'm going to use Ultronium coin. If I leave that, or if I name it as .sol, it is going to have SOL. So Ultronium, basically it's one of my company name, that is Ultronium Private Limited. I am just using with that particular name as of now as Ultronium coin. I have added the code over here, let's call.in/pck.txt. Just copy this whole code and paste it over here. After that, there is something which you need to change. Here is the thing. You need to change this particular name, that is this particular cryptocurrency name, to your own cryptocurrency name. I'm going to change it to Altronium coin. You can find. After that, click on Solidity, and you need to go ahead with this particular compiler 0.4.26 and then compile it. You can find it was verified, it was compiled, and then we are going to go ahead with deployment. Click on this and just swap from JavaScript to injected Web3. This is basically our address. As you can find, basically you can find that it is not connected for you. So what I am going to do is disconnect it so I can show you how to connect. Okay, so after disconnecting, you can find that my address has gone. So you're going to find like this, not connected. If you click, you will not be able to check anything. So it is going to show like this. So basically whenever you click on one and the other wallet, it is going to show this. I'm going to select and connect, and it got connected. Over here, what we need to do is click on this, and as the name is Altronium coin, we need to search for Altronium coin over here. This is the Altronium coin space hyphen space Altronium coin .sol. Whatever the name you are using, suppose ABC coin is one of them, then you need to check out with ABC coin space hyphen space ABC coin .sol. I'm going to select this right now and click on this to deploy. Click on this particular icon, and whatever the name you keep over here, that name is going to be your cryptocurrency name. So I'm going to use the same name as Altronium coin, and you can use whatever the symbol you want. I'm going to use it as UTN. Okay, the next thing is decimal, so it is going to be 18. The next is supply, how many you want to supply. You can keep it as 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, whatever the amount you want. So I'm going to just randomly enter it as 98765432210. And token owner, the token owner is me over here. So I'm going to click on this and copy this address, that is going to be my BNB address for this particular wallet, and paste it over here. And finally we need to click on transact. Now you can find that transaction need to be made over here after you received the amount from any of the other wallets, that is either Binance.com or any other cryptocurrency wallets. Whatever the BNB you are going to receive, that will be used for this particular gas. Gas is just BNB's Binance cryptocurrencies transaction charges. It is just going to charge this particular amount. So you can find that and confirm. It was just deployed, not yet completed. Okay, now let's go to Binance Smart Chain BACScan.com. Enter the address, search, and you can search the address. Here is a new contract which I have created just 1 minute ago. Let's click on this, and then there is the contract. and you can find Binance coin over here, BTN. Whenever you open this, you can find the information as 987654321 BTN are available over here, but the price is 0.00 at 0.000 BNB. So there is no price for this as of now. So we are going to go ahead with adding its price. So after this, let's go to contract, and this is the contract. We did not shown as we are having this particular cryptocurrency, or we created this particular cryptocurrency. So what we are going to do is go ahead with verify and publish. Click on this, and this is the address, contract address, and then go ahead with a single file, and over here the compiler, in the sense you can find the compiler name 0.4.26. So 0.4.26. Okay, so next one is go ahead with no license and continue. Next over here it's no optimization, and over here it was asking for code. So go ahead with copying this code and pasting it over here, and verify and publish. So it got published. You can find the information over here, and over here is all the code. Right click and check out with the contract. It was published, it got a verified icon. So till now we have completed how we can get cryptocurrency. Next we have completed about cryptocurrency to BNB, and next we have completed about MetaMask, and next we have already deployed, and finally we need to go ahead with the value and then trade. So copy this contract ID and go ahead with exchange.pancakeswap.finance. Over here you may find an issue, so I'm just removing this so it is going to be easy for you. So you can find that swap and liquidity are the two options for me. I'm going to go ahead with the liquidity and just click on connect with MetaMask. Okay, I did not add this particular cryptocurrency over here. So actually we have copied this particular contract, right? So we are going to go ahead with adding that particular contract over here, add token. Okay, paste this contract, and you can find UTN, that is Ultronium coin over here, and decimal place is 18, and next, and you can find the amount over here, add token. We can find the whole token, that is 987654321 UTN. Now we need to give a value to this. That's the reason we are coming over here. So this is my previous cryptocurrency, but over here I cannot find a new cryptocurrency because there is an issue which you are going to find that because I did not import it. So I am going to click on this, select a token. So whatever the contract ID is over here, I'm going to go ahead with that, select a token, search it over here. So you can find BTN, import. It is going to say everything, but it's our own cryptocurrency, so we are going to go ahead with that. I understood, and import. So it's loading. Create. We did not create anything, So you can find the balance over here. This balance is going to reduce as we start transactions. It is going to take some BNB, and it is going to be used as gas. So let's go ahead with this. So I'm going to enter it as 1 or 2. So you need to have 25,742.6 UTN for 1 BNB. That means 1 BNB equals to 25,742.6 UTN. So approve UTN. So it is going to take some charges, that is $0.09 of gas. Confirm. And finally over here, create pool and supply. So if I click on this, it is going to ask for gas and confirm, and finally it was confirmed. And I am going to open this in separate window to view BSC scan transaction and click on close. Now the next thing is to check out with its total value on market. So let's go ahead with that. Go ahead with PooCoin.app. We are going to go ahead with the token ID or address. Yeah, this is the address, and it has shown that the market value or market cap of the whole cryptocurrency is $3.87 billion. Over here, the whole supply is 987654321, and the value for each UTN is 0.392625. So if we have transactions, you can find all the transactions over here. So there you go, guys. I have created 2 cryptocurrencies. It's not like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other top level cryptocurrencies. So this for today. Thanks for watching. Please smash the like button if you like this video, and please go down below and click on red subscribe button to support my channel. This for today. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Have a nice day. And finally, be different, do different, be unique, and be unkickable.